Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull on iPhone. First, download the Webull app from the App Store and either create a new account or log in. Once logged in, you'll need to fund your account to start trading. Webull offers various funding methods, making it easy to deposit money. We'll cover navigating the interface and placing your first trade, ensuring you feel confident using the app for your investments. Once you're in, the Webull app offers a clean, intuitive interface. You can customize your watch list to keep an eye on your favorite stocks and ETFs. The app provides real-time market data and news, helping you stay informed. Use the search bar at the top to quickly find any asset you're interested in. It's designed to give you all the information you need at a glance. Ready to place a trade? Simply select the stock or ETF you want to buy or sell and tap the trade button. You'll then choose your order type, such as a market order for immediate execution or a limit order to set a specific price. Enter the quantity of shares, review all the details carefully, and then confirm your order. It's a straightforward process designed for efficiency. Webull on iPhone also offers powerful advanced features for more experienced traders. You can dive into detailed charting tools for in-depth technical analysis, explore options trading strategies, or manage your margin account directly from the app. Don't forget to set up custom alerts for price changes or important news, ensuring you never miss a crucial market event. It's a comprehensive platform in your pocket.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.